All right, for this question, it wants to know the area for the deck surrounding the pool. This is the pool here. The deck is the white part on the outside, so it wants to know the area. The way we're going to attack this is we're going to find the area for the entire thing and then subtract out the area of the pool. And that's going to give me the area for the deck. Okay, I'm going to first find the area for the pool. This is easy. This is 20 times 12, which is 240. So if I multiply 20 times 12, I get 240. Now I'm going to find the area for this entire thing. And to do that, I got to find the length and I got to find the width. Now the length is not 20. It's 20 plus this part, which is 6, and this part, which is 6. And that gives you 32. Now I need to find this length here, up and down. And this length is 12 here, another 6 here, another 6 here. So that gives me 18 plus 6, 24. Now I'm going to multiply this to get the area of the entire thing. Gives me 8, 12, 0 goes here, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, add them together, and I get 768. So I'm going to do 768 minus whatever the pool is, which is 240. And I subtract, and I get 8, 2, I get 528 for the area of this deck right here.